Hey guys, so if you have Quantum 300 and looking what are the best settings that you can get, so there are two types. So first one is this: 31 plus 5, 62 plus 2, 125 plus 2, 250 plus 4, 500 plus 5, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 4 plus 5, 8 plus 9, 16 plus 10. This is the first thing you can try. And just stop the video and just set up it by this. Or what you can say is that 31 plus 6, 62 plus 7, 125 plus 3, 250 plus 3, 500 plus 3, 1 plus minus 3, 2 plus 3, 4 minus 1, 8 plus 4, 16 plus 8, and spatial sound on. So try it out, and I hope it's going to actually like improve it for you. And I just want to make this like quick video. So have a great day and goodbye.